A forensic scientist, I think, is a puzzle solver.
It's the latest case of mythology and fantasy coming to life. An unknown species found in the Montana wilderness, drawing intrigue from across the world. People have given it names like werewolf and chupacabra, but for scientists at the National Fish and Wildlife Forensics Laboratory in Ashland,
It's amusing. We're as intrigued as anybody else by a good story. We're skeptical.
not meant as a way to crush the hopeful dreams of some. These forensic scientists are just doing their job.
We try not to bias our work with our belief in what it may or may not be, because having a preconceived idea of what you're working with you could run into problems.
Set up in 1981, this is the only forensics lab in the world that offers a full service of forensics.
Canids, felids.
From morphology to genetics, the lab works with 182 countries to solve crimes against wildlife.
We don't think highly of the uses people put to animals these days, but that's just part of our job to figure that out.
The lab collects trafficked items that come from all over the world and use them as references on studies later on.
Creating databases of known versus unknown. And we right now, morphologically, I think we have something like 60,000 specimens, pieces, parts, products of animals.
Along with around 50,000 individual DNA samples, there's not a lot these scientists haven't seen.
Rarely is there something that we've never seen before. And if it's something we've never seen before, often it's a protected animal that we don't have a reference sample for. But Sasquatch, Chupacabra, not likely.
In Ashland, Miles Fedwici, NBC5 News.